Here is a question. Read it carefully and think about the answer. Let us solve it step by step. Let us begin solving this step by step. Step 1. Identify the parent chain ring. The structure shown is a 6-membered carbocyclic ring, so the parent name is cyclohexane. Step 2. Identify functional groups. There are 2 hydroxyl or substituents attached to the ring, making this a diol. The suffix for 2 of groups is diol. Step 3. Number the ring to give lowest locants. 1 OH is at the top carbon of the ring and the other is 2 carbons away, meta relationship. Numbering the carbon bearing the first OH as C1, the second OH is on C3, giving locants 1 and 3. Numbering in the opposite direction would also give 1 and 3, so the name is cyclohexane 1,3 diol. Step 4. Verify the locant set. 1, 3 is the lowest possible set for 2 substituents separated by 1 carbon on a 6-membered ring, confirming the name. No other regioisomeric arrangement, 1, 2 or 1, 4 fits the drawn structure, which clearly shows the 2 OH groups on carbons separated by 1 CH2 unit, 1, 3 positions. Therefore, the correct answer is cyclohexane 1,3 diol. The correct answer is shown on screen.